Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super useful for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. How to connect your Phantom wallet to CoinMarketCap in 2025. Whether you're tracking your investments or just exploring the crypto world, this seamless connection will make your life a lot easier. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device. If you don't, head over to the App Store or Google Play and download it for free. It's quick and straightforward. Once that's done, open the Phantom Wallet and create or log into your account. This is your gateway to managing your digital assets securely. Now, fire up the CoinMarketCap app or website. It's one of the best platforms for tracking cryptocurrency prices and portfolios. Look for the Wallets or Connect Wallet option in the menu. It's usually at the top or in the settings. Click on that, and you'll see a list of supported wallets. Scroll until you find Phantom, and select it from the options. Next, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection. Phantom will pop up a window asking for your permission. Go ahead and approve it. This step ensures your data stays secure. Once authorized, CoinMarketCap will sync with your Phantom wallet, pulling in your portfolio details automatically. If you run into any hiccups, like connection errors, double-check that you're using the latest versions of both apps. Sometimes, clearing your cache or restarting the apps does the trick. And remember, always verify transactions to keep your assets safe. There you have it. That's how you connect Phantom Wallet to CoinMarketCap in 2025. This setup lets you monitor your crypto holdings in real time without switching apps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.